Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Discovery 4 3 litre SD V6. This one's a HSE automatic, four-wheel drive obviously, HSE. Now this car is one owner from new. Had the cam belt done at 95,000 miles and has now done 98,000 miles. One owner from new, £15,595. I've just driven it. Drives really well, really smooth, really quiet. One of the nicest I've driven actually. You can see it's got Pirelli Scorpion tyres on. I mean, someone's loved it. HSE with running boards. So a HSE, 7 seats, obviously, black leather heated electric seats, privacy glass, reverse camera, front and rear park sensors, yeah, Pirelli Scorpion tyres, lovely alloy wheels. See, it's got tyre pressure sensors, front park sensors, headlamp washers, front fog lamps, daytime LED running lights. 2 or 3 sunroofs, probably 3. Got the Land Rover fitted rubber mats, Meridian Hi-Fi, black leather. Yeah, 3 sunroofs. Just open the blind on that one. 1, 2, 3. One above the 7 seats. Nice leather steering wheel with electronic steering column, paddle gear change. Got the memories over there on the door card for the electric memory driver's seat. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, electric heated windscreen, electronic handbrake. Very nice car. Nice condition, nice and clean. Reverse camera just up underneath there. Load covers in there, nice and clean in the boot area. Obviously we've got the 7 seats here which we can lift up like that. They're all there. They are obviously black leather. Just having a look in there to see if it's got a tow bar. It doesn't look like it. Have a look in this one. No. Doesn't look like it's ever had a tow bar, this vehicle. Lovely and clean. All the paintwork doesn't look like there's any marks at all on this. The bumper corners all look good. Another Pirelli Scorpion tyre. Keyless entry, keyless start. A lovely alloy wheel, no scuffs, not particularly stone chipped. What a lovely thing. Electric mirrors, electric windows, folding mirrors, heated mirrors, automatic headlamps, voice control, obviously cruise control, 98,700 miles. Got the heated seats on, they work lovely. Driver's seats, not particularly, the leather's not too worn out for 98,000 miles, it's nice. Yeah, lovely thing that. One owner from new, and I think you can tell it is in very good condition. £15,595. Cam belt done at 95,000 miles. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.